The 2026 Tata Winger 7-seater auto rickshaw represents a thoughtful evolution of a trusted people mover rather than a radical redesign, staying true to its roots as a practical and dependable commercial vehicle. Built on a strengthened chassis, the vehicle feels sturdier than earlier iterations, giving drivers and passengers a greater sense of security on both smooth and rough roads. The exterior design remains utilitarian, prioritizing function over flash, with clean lines, a boxy structure, and a shape that maximizes interior space. At the front, the larger windshield improves visibility for the driver while also making the cabin feel slightly more open and less confined. LED lighting has been subtly improved, offering better illumination during night drives and in poorly lit urban streets. Ground clearance is generous, allowing the Winger to handle uneven roads, speed bumps, and rural terrain without constant scraping. Power comes from a refined BS6 compliant diesel engine that balances durability with lower emissions compared to older models. The engine is tuned more for efficiency than speed, making it ideal for city transport and long daily routes. Gear shifts feel smoother than earlier versions, reducing driver fatigue during extended operating hours. Steering is light at low speeds, which is particularly helpful in congested traffic and narrow lanes. Suspension has been retuned to better absorb bumps, making rides noticeably more comfortable for passengers. Inside, the 7-seater cabin is practical, with enough headroom and legroom for short to medium distance travel. The driver area is more ergonomic, with better placement of controls and improved seating posture. Ventilation has been improved through larger windows and better airflow design, reducing stuffiness in hot weather. Seat cushioning is firmer than before, prioritizing durability over plush comfort, which suits its commercial purpose. Noise insulation is better but not perfect, meaning engine and road noise are still present inside the cabin. Safety features include stronger seat frames, better grab handles, and improved structural rigidity. Fuel efficiency is one of its biggest strengths, making it cost-effective for fleet owners and individual drivers alike. Maintenance remains inexpensive and widely accessible due to Tata's extensive service network. Ride quality in city traffic is comfortable, and the vehicle handles stop-and-go conditions with ease. Compared to electric alternatives, the diesel Winger still holds an edge in range, refueling convenience, and upfront affordability. Overall, the 2026 Tata Winger 7-seater auto rickshaw is a reliable, economical, and practical workhorse that continues to serve as a backbone for urban and semi-urban passenger transport.